Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WooCommerce for email and review capture strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the WooCommerce section located on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to access your WooCommerce configuration options. Select the Emails tab at the top of the screen. You will see a list of email notifications available within WooCommerce. To configure a specific email, click on the title of the email you want to edit. In this section, you can enable or disable the email notification. Adjust the recipient's field to include the email addresses that should receive notifications. Customize the subject line to make it more relevant to your brand. Feel free to edit the email content using HTML for better formatting. Next, save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom. Now, return to the main WooCommerce settings page. Navigate to the Products tab and select Reviews. Ensure the option for Enable Product Reviews is checked. Set the reviews can only be left by option to allow only verified purchasers to leave reviews. Consider enabling Show Rated Reviews first to showcase higher rated products. Next, head over to the Accounts and Privacy tab. Enable the options to allow customers to create an account and to share their experiences. Install a review capture plugin if you'd like to automate follow-up emails. Some popular options include Yotpo, WooCommerce Review Reminder, and Star Reviews. After installing a plugin, follow the specific setup instructions provided by that plugin. Generally, you will need to configure the email templates used for review requests. Set a time frame for when customers should receive your review request after their purchase. Finally, always test your email settings and review capture strategies to ensure they are functioning as expected. Make test purchases to see if the emails are sent and track how the review capture process works. By following these steps, you'll have a well-configured WooCommerce setup for email notifications and review capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.